want to find USDT wallet address on your Binance? Hey everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can find USDT wallet address on your Binance. So if you want to find your USDT wallet address on Binance in 2024, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to open up the Binance app here. After opening the Binance app, you have to enter your credential and to log into your account. Once you have the login to your account, you have to go to the wallet. On the app, you have to tap on the wallet option which is on the bottom. So once you are on your home screen, you will have to look for the USDT in the list of cryptocurrency. Also, you can use the search bar for the quick access here. So search for the here USDT on the search bar. Once you have searched for the USDT here, you can also go back and go for your portfolio. So you can see the USDT. Once you have found the USDT, you have to click on it on your app and here you have to enter your amount of your USDT and go for the deposit. And here you can see that after you can easily verify your account and deposit on your Binance. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily find the USDT wallet address on your Binance. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.